Hello, this is Gary at Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to show you how to remove a hazel stem using a knife. I've done a video in the past showing you how to prune from a tree with a pruning saw, so that we can ensure that the tree is able to recover from the wound that we inflict upon it. And so that would always be my preferred approach, my preferred option. But there may be an occasion where you're out and about, I'm out and about, and for whatever reason I don't have a pruning saw, and so I need to make that pruning cut with a knife. And so I'm going to show you now how I would do that. So I've got a hazel here, it's a stem that I want to harvest. So what I need to do is bend it right down low to the ground. So I'm gonna just change the position of the camera so you can see a little bit clearer what's actually going on here. This is the stem I'm going to cut, so I'm going to push it right down. What I want to do is get these fibers here really under tension, and so now that it is, what I can do is just take my knife and I'm just going to draw that across here. Like so, and off it comes. The important part is to get it under tension. So once those fibers are under tension, once they're being stretched, it is much easier to make that cut. However, what we can see, this is a very untidy wound that we've inflicted upon this hazel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go get my saw and just give that a proper pruning cut. All tidied up so that the tree is best able to recover from the wound that I've inflicted on it. I hope that's of use to you, something that you can incorporate into your own bushcraft skill set. I'll try my best to get some more content out next week. You can make sure that you don't miss out on that by subscribing either to our blog or to our YouTube channel, either of which are Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.